You've just shipped a new AI feature, and suddenly your support inbox is on fire. The model's making up facts, and you've got no idea why it slipped through. You need a way to catch those bad answers before they ever reach a real customer. Without a test plan, you're just crossing your fingers. With one, you actually know if the thing works. Think about a factory that builds toaster ovens. You don't just box them up right off the assembly line. You run them through a quality control station first. That station is where you grab a few toasters, check them against the list, and decide if they pass. In AI, we call this setup an evaluation framework. It's just your quality control station for machine learning. Building it takes 3 quick steps. First, you pick your samples, then you write your checklist, and finally, you set your pass or fail gauge. For your samples, you want a good mix. Grab some totally normal toasters, but also grab some weird ones that ran too hot. Your checklist is just the rules. Does it toast bread? Does the handle stay cool? Does it beep when it's done? Then you set the gauge. Maybe a toaster's gotta pass all 3 rules to ship. Or maybe it just needs 2 out of 3. But here's where the factory idea breaks down a little bit. A physical toaster either burns the bread or it doesn't. It's very black and white. AI text is fuzzy, so your checklist's gotta handle shades of gray, not just perfect pass or fail. Let's say your AI is writing short descriptions for shoes on your website. Your samples are 50 old shoe descriptions. Your checklist asks if the AI mentioned the size, the color, and the material. If the AI forgets the material, it fails the gauge. You send it back to the model to try again until it gets it right. So what's your actual move as a product manager? Don't just ask the engineers if the model looks good. That's not a real test. Open a blank doc and write down 3 things the AI must always do and 3 things it must never do. That's your checklist. Remember, you can't improve what you don't measure. Build your QC station first, and the rest gets a whole lot easier. See you in the next one.